To select one of the 5 categories, click on Select Category. The scroll wheel shows quick tips, drills and warm-ups, 3 to 10 players, 10 to 20 players, and shooting practices for the whole squad. Scroll through the category you select, in this example it's 10 to 20 players, and select the practice you want to look at or use. Click on the selection and the movie will play. A defender on the outside can only enter the grid when a pass is made between the 2 defenders. That is the cue. If the attacker passes or moves the ball away from the defender has to leave the area and play continues. If the red defender wins the ball, the teams change roles and reds now try to keep possession. The attacker should scan and look for opponents on the outside when the ball is played between the 2 defenders. To select a different category, click on Practice Type at the top of the screen to return to the option menu. In Drills and Warm-Ups, I select Paolo's Triangle and the movie will play. The drill starts by passing the ball around the triangle with each player moving to the next station. The players are encouraged to receive the ball with the inside of the foot and to move the ball to one side of the cone so the second touch is a pass to the next player, who moves from one side of the cone to the other side to receive the ball. This provides the player passing the ball with a specific target, which the player will have to look for after having the first touch and before passing the ball. This is quite difficult and may take some practice before it can be done. A wall pass can be introduced if the player moves to support quickly after passing the ball. The player should support from 2 to 4 metres, so the wall pass can be made quickly with one-touch passing. To download the app, go to google.com and type in Football Practices, and as you're doing that, Football Practices app will appear. Click on that and it will take you to a drop-down menu where you can see Football Practices on the App Store. We're going to click on that in a second, but just below is the Football Centre if you want to go and see what's in my website. But for now we're talking about the app, so we'll just click on that one. And it takes us straight to the App Store, which is a quicker process than trying to search the App Store. This gives you a description of what's in the app, and you can see there are 10 samples from each of the 4 categories for $1.99. There are actually 5 categories, and the remaining 25 to 30 practices are available as an in-app purchase for $1.99. To view in iTunes, click on the icon there, and this will show you one of the sample 5 categories. Quick tips. There are 4 others: drills and warm-ups, practices for 3 to 10 players, 10 to 20 players, and shooting practices for the squad. But that's on a revolving disc, so you can't see them all at this point. Across here we see one of the quick tips, level and outside at the back, and over here is the short presentation that I give, which is also followed by a practice. To purchase the app, click in the Buy option, and the rest are available as an in-app purchase. The app is 360 megabytes, which is really big, and can only be downloaded in a Wi-Fi zone or on a computer.